This is going to be a video on my new Wuben C2 light. It's a flashlight. It's also a power bank. It'll charge your device if you need to. There's a charge, and there's where you plug in for your power to power up another device. So it's already out of the box, but this is an after video. So we'll get into the unboxing and show you how it works. Hello people. If you've been following any other sawmill channels, you understand that one of them is Rick and Tim from Two Brothers Outdoors. They have a sponsor, Wuben Lights, and they've been showing them quite a bit, so under the standing that I would get one, and Rick says when I got it I was supposed to let him know what I thought about it. So it just came in the mail the other day. I figured now would be a good time as any to bring it out, unbox it, and see how it works. So you're seeing it for the first time along with me. If anybody's bothered, yes, this is also in a semi. That's why I got some of the stuff covered up. Little backdrop cover. Don't need to see all my filthy garbage. Come on, break the seal. Break the seal. Well, at least you know I didn't have this all prepped ahead of time. Alright. Let's see what we got. Professional flashlight. Ooh, special. Okay, that's the box. You got your owner's manual. Imagine. What the hell is this? Okay. Pull. And if at first you don't succeed, read the instructions. Nah. If it's got any juice in it. I don't look like it. So gotta be the charger in here. How the hell do you open this? Rick, help me! And of course your extra bag of O-rings for the seal up in the top. Okay. We have the Hilliard charging cable. Now this light, one charge, is supposed to double as a flashlight and as a charging base for like your phone and stuff. Alright, I gotta dig out a 12-volt charging base, which is under here, and I'll be right back. Like I said, please read the instructions. Please remove the battery insulation sheet before using it. That's this little thing. Would help. What do we have here? 48 milliamp rated battery. Rechargeable. Okay. Next warning label. Please tighten the tall cap to the point where it can no longer be tightened. The tall cap. Let's not mess this up and cross thread things. Give her a try. Do we have any juice? Oh yeah. Whoa. It's supposed to be an SOS. And the thing is, they say that here we go. Okay, now we gotta find out how to get everything back where it was. Oh, eyeballs. Anyway, she's nice heavy. Still works. You do have charge port to charge it and to charge your device. So we're going to put it on the charger here and see where we're at after we read the instructions, and then later on this evening we'll take it out and shine it around on the buildings and the trailers sitting around here and see how bright it is. Check back with you later. Bye. Okay, it's getting dark out. Tonight's going to be a test of our new Wuben light, but first we show you what a light with a couple of AAA batteries. Okay. It looks very bright in this parking lot, but there's actually only 2 outdoor lights and they're not very bright. So walk around a little bit, show you between the semis, trailers. It's not bad, but this light's kind of finky. You wiggle it wrong and it goes out. So, okay, that's that one. Now here's the Wuben light. Okay. Work for me. We'll be right back. All right, here's our Wuben light. It's a model C2. We'll get it in there. Still playing around with it and figure it out. That's actually part of the thing showing you it's charged. But now here's what this light looks like. Now you can change that. It gets brighter, bright. That's the dim. That's the brightest setting. Now, those trucks, that building, those trees, approximately 100 yards away. It's about 4 truck lengths. Maybe about 200 feet. That's shining on the building, lighting up that trailer. That's doing a real good job. No way a little AAA battery flashlight is going to do all that. I know that's good 150 feet. Local lumberyard across the way, shining on these semis. Around the parking lot. This is a bright light. I like this. Now if you hold this thing, hold the button, try to do this all one-handed, it goes through a range of brights all the way up to what they call like a turbo. So, and if you click on it twice, get us a strobe. Twice more, you get the SOS. turn it off. You've got regular light in the low setting, and just turn it off. Now if you click this 3 times here, that light is supposed to go on and off. 1, 2, 3. And now it works. That's just to let you know where you are in the power. Now the nice thing is, besides being the flashlight, when it's at full charge, you can also use it to power like your phone or something if in case it went dead. Now I'm doing this in the dark. But there's the regular USB for charging the flashlight. Then you can hook up a USB-A to it, to your whatever you got, your phone or something like that, and charge it back up. It's got a big lithium-ion battery inside. So that's about it. That and the unboxing, and we'll put these videos together and post them. Hopefully you guys enjoy this. Like I said, it's a Wuben C2. My buddies Rick and Tim France from Two Brothers Outdoors suggested this as a light. I think I'm going to be real happy with it. We'll let you know later.